Certainly. Here's a script for your video on how to get rid of skinny fat through diet. Title: How to get rid of skinny fat through diet ****. Opening scene ***. Narrator ***. By the end of the video, you will know about the most effective diet strategies to tackle skinny fat. Main content ***. To effectively combat skinny fat, it's crucial to focus on a balanced diet that supports both fat loss and muscle gain. Here's how you can tailor your eating habits to achieve that. 1. Caloric balance. Start by assessing your caloric needs. Skinny fat individuals often need to create a slight calorie deficit to shed excess fat while preserving muscle mass. 2. Macronutrient distribution. Emphasize a balanced intake of macronutrients. Ensure you're getting adequate protein to support muscle repair and growth, while also incorporating healthy fats and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. 3. Protein intake. Protein is essential for maintaining and building lean muscle mass. Aim for a daily intake of around 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. 4. Whole foods. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber crucial for overall health. 5. Meal timing. Distribute your meals evenly throughout the day to maintain energy levels and support muscle recovery. Consider smaller, more frequent meals to regulate metabolism and control hunger. 6. Hydration. Stay hydrated with water throughout the day. Proper hydration supports metabolic function and overall well-being. Middle section ***. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Closing scene ***. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Conclusion ***. By following these dietary strategies consistently, you can effectively transform your body composition from skinny fat to lean and muscular. Remember, achieving your fitness goals takes commitment and patience, so stay consistent with your diet and exercise routine to see the best results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving a healthier, fitter you. See you in the next video. This script incorporates the key points on dieting for overcoming skinny fat, along with your requested promotional and engagement lines seamlessly integrated throughout.